This is how to connect your Binance Futures account to COINRULE. First press on Exchanges, then select Binance Futures. Now head on over to Binance. Select your icon and click on API Management. You will need to generate a new API key. First, you must name it. For this example, we're going to name our API COINRULE Futures. Once you press Create, Binance will request two-factor authentication. You will now need to copy your secret key because this will not be displayed later on. Once you've done this, go to COINRULE and paste it in under the secret key. Then you'll need to go back to Binance and edit restrictions. Enable futures trading. However, there's no need to enable withdrawals because COINRULE will never ask to withdraw your funds. Once you press save, Binance will request two-factor authentication again. Once you have completed two-factor authentication, copy the API key. Go to COINRULE and paste it. Once this is done, you have now fully connected your Binance Futures account to COINRULE.